Hello everyone and welcome back to my unusual and very bizarre weird channel. It is 2025 and Halloween is here again. So welcome back. I have this amazing ice sparkling black raspberry water that I want to drink with you and possibly burp until I can no more. Because we're here, 2025, and we're still doing this. Burping until we can no more. So why don't we do it again? One more time. I hope you get to enjoy this very short video that is gonna go into my private channel. So don't miss out. And happy Noche de Brujas or Halloween. Hey everyone, let's start this adventure time with my ice sparkling black raspberry amazing water. I have only had this one a handful of times and I have to say it tastes so good it actually feels like I'm drinking a soda. So let's burp for it while we keep moving a little bit and let's try to have some fun in the meantime. I hope you enjoy, you guys. That mask actually left a mark on my nose. The weirdest thing. Let's go. Okay. This actually tastes real good, so I really have to pace myself. It's like, do you remember that flavor that you used to love of gelatins when you were little? This one tastes just like that for me. I remember that I used to make the jellos with my mom and I had a very hard time waiting to cool off because I will wanna eat it in the spoonfuls, you know, because the flavor was so good. This is how this water tastes for me. So I'm gonna try to savor it a little bit. Just wait. Look how fast I drink that. It's because I really like it. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. I am going to squat for it and see if it comes out. But let's do it on my rear end. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this is a good sumo squat. Let's go. All the way down over here, you see? Just try to fix this and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, you see how completely right up. Completely right up. Okay, let me see. Is it coming out? I'm gonna try. It feels so good. You have no idea. So, I also have some weights, by the way. I have this tiny ones over here. They're 5. They're small, but they're mighty. So let's do this like that and go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm gonna try something a little bit different. Oh, I am gonna stretch this out. Okay. Okay. Now I can feel the gas coming out. And gonna try and grab this with just one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Now we're going to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after we do that session, we put our weights on the side and we see if we have any gas that it needs to come out. Maybe stretching a little bit will help. Okay, let's see over here. One second. Whew. The gas still feels like it's trying to come out. Let's have a little bit of a drink over here. And by a little, I meant a lot. This tastes so good. It is very, it's very decadent. It's very guilt trip. It tastes too good to be true, right? That felt good. Awesome. There is more of my drink to be taken and drinked, so I'll be right back.